Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn something interesting. You can see this DOB. Some DOB are not in correct format because the DOB which is aligned to right, they are correct. The dates which are aligned to left, they are incorrect. As you can see, my window date format is DD MM YYYY, and here somebody has put MMDDYY. That's why it is not recognizing the format. Let's see how we can perform this with two different methods. I'm going to create one helper column, or let me just copy this data and put it back in one of the new sheet so that we can use it for the next example. Let me just go to sheet 2. Let me create one helper column, helper 1. Here you can create the sequence 1 to 11. This is the original sequence because whatever we do in this data, be it sorting, be it deleting, whatever. So we can have it in our previous, sequence. So now you can select this data and one keyboard shortcut, Alt ASA. Why we are, sorting this data so that all correct format should be on the top and incorrect format should be all together. Now you can select this and go to data, go to text to column. By default, you are in the delimited tab. Go to next, go to next. Here you can force the date because this is in MDY format. You can force this to become proper readable date. And now you see that date format has been fixed, and go there and keyboard shortcut Alt ASA. This is the keyboard shortcut which we have put, and this is the original state, and you can remove this now. So this is the DOB. How you can calculate the age? That's super easy. You can use year frac function. What year frac function does is start date, comma, end date. End date means today. That will get you the difference between 2 years, and see that this is the answer. This is the answer or age. You can have integer value because decimal value you can ignore. Use integer value function, and once we do that, we have all the ages are extracted, and here you can apply your VLOOKUP. As you can see, VLOOKUP got 4 components. This is my lookup value. This is the table array. Press F4 to log the table, comma 2 and comma 1. By default, VLOOKUP is getting you approximate match. You can mention true also. Otherwise, you can skip that because by default, range lookup is 1, or that is approximate match. And you can see this is the answer we are getting. This is one way of doing or solving this problem. Let me show you how we can solve with different method. As you can see, this is the data which we had seen earlier. Now, I have to tell you something, how we can perform this with different methods with the help of formula. So here you can use clipboard, to store our variable, but still how we can do that? First, you have to find out whether it is a number or date. If you select this, the incorrect date format will tell you false, and the remaining will tell you true. You can see this is true, aligned to right, true. This is one way. Now we have to find out how we can extract the year from the incorrect date. You can use write function. Write function from right 4th digit. You can see the year has come out, and somewhere you will have an error because see that this is 90 and you see that this is the year. You just ignore it. Let's see, this is the best approach. Year we got it for incorrect date format. And how we can extract the day, because 9 is the month, 23 is the day. So year, month, you can extract month first. How we can extract the month? Because month is the first. So the function is left. From left, how many character? Front slash -1. You can use front slash. This is the front slash, or from this text start number by default 1, -1 you can do. Dynamically, we extracted our month. As I told you, you might get an error because it's a date. Okay, only the date which are aligned to left will have the slash because it's a date, and dates are stored as number, which is going good. Now you can extract the day. How we can extract the day, guys? Now you have to use mid function. This is the text. What is the start number, guys? Find, and you can locate this over there. This plus 1. This is the start number. You can copy that front slash position. Now it is asking you number of character. As you can see, 23. Front slash plus 1. That is cool. Now number of character, guys. How we can extract number of character? Second slash position minus first slash position. So second slash position over here. All right. Comma. Start number. So you can again use that plus 1. That is called second slash position. You can see this is our 5. Second slash position. And that minus first slash position minus 1. As you can see, this 23 dynamically we extracted. And now you can create a date which is composed of year, month, and day. Year, month, and day. So this is fine, but still you can copy the formula. Control C. This is actually year, and this is month, and this is day. Control C, day. Now you can go inside the formula of date. This is the year, comma, month, and day. And see that this is the formula we created. Now you can delete all these columns. We don't need them. And copy this date, which we corrected. Control C. Here you can use if you can use logical function, guys. If this is the date, then what you need, the same date. Else you need this date. And that's all. We have done it. You can remove this also. And this is the correct DOB. Control Shift hash. This is the correct DOB. We got it. You can call it new DOB. And guys, now what else you can perform? Here you can see that this is the date we got. And how we can get the age? You can use year frac function. This is my start date. Stop date is today. And this is the number I'm getting. You can convert this to number, which will come in decimal format. And you can directly apply also VLOOKUP without even converting into integer, because you have to finally get the level from this table. This is the table you have. Press F4 to log the table, comma 2. Or by default, output of VLOOKUP is approximate match. So, this argument, in the VLOOKUP, range lookup, which is optional, square bracket argument. You can skip that. Otherwise, you can mention true. No problem. And see that, guys, this is the output we are getting. I hope you found this useful. For more such videos, share, subscribe, and love my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.